Hello Professor, my name is Mudiaga Sujari and I'll be demonstrating my code for Lab 1. For exercise 1, we were asked to write an application using skitlen to train the real estate data. I started by importing the necessary libraries needed for this exercise. Then I loaded the data set into a data frame named after my first name. Before doing anything, I made sure to export the data and check how the table looks. Looked at the amount of null values in the table and the first 5 rows of the data set. Before training and testing data, you always have to split the data into the training and testing sets, which I did here. Make sure to put the White House price of unit area as the target. Then after that, I trained and tested and predicted the data, predicted the test data. And finally, I used the prediction to find the coefficients of the determination, which is 0.34. For exercise 2, we were asked to do the same for the California housing dataset, which is a skitlen dataset. But the only difference for exercise from exercise 2 to exercise 1 is that we were asked to do it in polynomial regression model. I did the same for exercise. I imported the required libraries, polynomial features. Then I fetched the California housing, selected only the relevant features, the A rooms and A bedrooms. Then I did the same, split the data into the training and testing sets. Then I created the polynomial features through the constructor as instructed in the instructions, including degree equals 2 and include BS equals false. And I trained the polynomial regression model in a linear regression because the linear regression model takes the features as inputs and leaves the weights of the polynomial function that best fits with the training data. Then the prediction, I use it to determine the coefficients of the model. Printing the coefficient of the model, I got 0.15. Then I plotted my results. Oh, that reminds me,